What is the Internet computer? The Internet computer blockchain incorporates a radical rethink of blockchain design. Powered by innovations in cryptography, it provides the first world computer blockchain that can be used to build almost any online system or service, including demanding web social media without need for traditional IT such as cloud computing services. As such, it can enable full end-to-end decentralization. Imagine creating a group chat to organize your next vacation with friends, playing a social game, or interacting with photos and videos uploaded by your crush. Social networks are now part of everyday life. However, they pose numerous privacy issues for users, share sensitive information with corporations, and often overwhelm users with ads. When you sign up, you are asked to agree to general terms and conditions, but you cannot influence how your data is used or what features the services provide. Web3 has the potential to fundamentally update this old formula. A true world computer can be used to build anything in a totally decentralized way, including demanding services like social networks, whereas before, blockchains could only be used to build Web3 services in conjunction with traditional IT, such as cloud computing services. A world computer blockchain makes it possible to build services that run entirely on blockchain. This makes it possible to assign control of these services to community DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. These play the role of the digital democracies in cyberspace to mediate the wishes of their online communities regarding economic matters and how to update and configure the services. In this new formula, users are becoming both owners of Web3 services and also part of the team that runs them. For example, by referring to other users to drive viral growth or helping with important tasks such as content moderation, because Web3 services running on the blockchain under the control of a DAO are fully decentralized. Just like a blockchain, they can also tokenize. For example, a Web3 service may airdrop the DAO's governance token to users that help out, or enable users to send satoshis with a chat message. Services like this are already being built today on the Internet computer blockchain, which has provided the world computer capabilities and functionality necessary. The aim is to transform the entire Internet ecosystem. The purpose of the Internet computer blockchain is to add world computer functionality to the public Internet. On the Internet computer, developers can build decentralized online systems and services entirely on the blockchain without using centralized traditional IT. Because the Internet computer is a blockchain, developers build online systems and services using smart contracts. Using smart contracts in this application can provide game-changing advantages. For example, because smart contracts are tamper-proof, just like the Bitcoin ledger, systems and services do not have to be protected by firewalls to keep the hackers out, solving for the increasing number of hacks affecting businesses and society. Another advantage is that Web3 services built on the Internet computer can process tokens and create new economic rails. For example, Web3 can combine social media and DeFi to produce SocialFi, such as a social network that is fully tokenized. The Internet computer provides canister smart contract functionality. These can do many new things, including serving interactive web experiences directly to users by processing HTTP requests, creating transactions that directly run on other blockchains using chain-chi transactions, scaling without limit and running with efficiency comparable to traditional IT, greatly reducing the harmful CO2 emissions caused by blockchain and one day the tech ecosystem generally. Web3 developers can build DeFi, SocialFi, GameFi and Metaverse services. They can process tokens on other blockchains without bridges using chain key transactions, and they can fully decentralize systems such as DeFi on Ethereum by using the Internet computer to create the interactive web experience in place of centralized traditional IT, such as cloud computing services. Because Web3 services can be built 100% on the blockchain, they can be placed under the full control of community DAOs, which perform all configuration and updates. Users can be made aware of online services and part of the team that runs them. The ICP token has three main utilities. Firstly, ICP provides a source of cycles that are burned to power computation. Thus, when ICP is converted to cycles, it disappears, creating a deflationary pressure. Secondly, ICP can be staked in the permissionless network nervous system DAO that governs the Internet Computer blockchain, creating voting neurons that generate voting rewards. Thirdly, ICP plays the role of a store of value, for example, allowing users to invest in decentralization sales run by Web3 services. Today, most proof-of-stake blockchains are hosted by validator nodes that are a software instances often spun up on cloud computing services. The Internet Computer cannot be hosted in this way. It runs entirely on a sovereign network of dedicated node machines, which are installed in independent data centers by independent node providers. These node machines connect to each other using Internet Computers Protocol, or ICP, which is where the token gets its name from. The best moniker to describe the blockchain network model used by the Internet Computer is proof of useful work. The network has a governance system called NNS, which can slash node machines that fail to produce enough blocks and keep up with the network, which is why they need to be built to a standard specification.